There is so much to talk about in today's video. Welcome back, everybody, to Altcoin Daily. My name is Aaron. We are 700,000 subscribers strong. 700,000 subscribers cannot be wrong. And the reason you subscribe is because on a daily basis, we break down everything going on in the cryptocurrency space. In today's video, I want to clue you in on everything that's going on in the Yearn Finance ecosystem. I'm going to share with you some Polkadot adoption. We'll talk about Dogecoin, Elon Musk, BNB coin. We will debunk some Maher FUD. Did you see this?
Nothing with crypto in the title ever turns out good.
Do you have a response to Maher? I do. I'll share that with you in just a second. Before we begin, question of the day is this. I want your answers in the comments below. What do you think is the perfect portfolio for a new cryptocurrency investor? A new crypto investor. See, if I was a new cryptocurrency investor, this is legit what I'd do. If I was a new cryptocurrency investor who isn't going to follow the market every day like we do, I'd go 70% Bitcoin, continue to cost average Bitcoin aggressively. I'd go 20 to 30% Ethereum, and 10% altcoins. That's truly not financial advice. That's obviously a conservative strategy, but this is what I would tell a friend, and this is what I've told new friends that are in crypto. Not new friends, but friends who are new to crypto. Anyways, let me know what you think is the perfect portfolio for a new crypto investor in the comments below. Let's quickly check the price of Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin consolidating near the highs, $57,000. Ethereum breaking past all-time highs at 2,950. We're almost at that 3,000 milestone. You'll have to let me know what the price of Ethereum or Bitcoin is in the comments below when you watch this video. But I'm bullish. I'm bullish on Bitcoin and Ethereum. Let's talk about Ethereum. According to Spencer Noon, let's go over 10 signs that ETH is well on its way to $10,000. I thought these were great metrics and great perspective to point out. How could you not be bullish? Number one, Ethereum dwarfs every blockchain in terms of fees paid with a current run rate of nearly 7 billion. Guys, we're in the billions. This confirms massive demand for Ethereum block space. Yes, I remember a time near the depths of the bear market when many Bitcoin maximalists said that there would not be any demand for Ethereum block space. People would be disincentivized to use Ethereum. And there is huge demand, so it's total opposite. Very bullish. Number two, Ethereum settles 30.5 billion worth of value per day. This is far more than Bitcoin and every other blockchain. To put this into context, PayPal settles just 2.5 billion daily. Number three, Ethereum has 625,000 daily active addresses. This is the 90-day moving average. This is a figure that continues to climb and now sits comfortably at all-time highs. Again, guys, the trend is your friend. You can like Ethereum, you can dislike Ethereum, but you cannot ignore so many metrics trending up. There is now 65 billion locked in DeFi with 16 different projects having more than 1 billion total value locked. This is a sign that Ethereum is institutional grade financial technology. Total value locked, trending up. Number five, Ethereum has 50 billion in outstanding stablecoin supply with 500,000 daily unique senders and 20 billion in value being exchanged per day. This is a sign of explosive product market fit. Number six, monthly DEX volume stands at more than 60 billion, up 60x year over year, proving decentralized finance liquidity already rivals centralized finance. Of course it does. Number seven, more than 200,000 Bitcoin, $11.2 billion worth of Bitcoin are now represented on ETH in various forms, whether it be wrapped Bitcoin or otherwise. This is a sign that Ethereum is becoming an economic vacuum for all assets, including Bitcoin. Number eight, sales of NFTs on Ether have now surpassed 600 million, with 13 pieces selling for 1 million plus each. This is a sign that new categories of applicants are also emerging on ETH. Also a sign of a bull market. Almost every NFT buyer has to go through ETH. They have to get off zero with ETH. Number nine, Matic, Polygon, It's a layer 2 Ethereum scaling solution, is currently doing 1 million daily transactions and has onboarded numerous DeFi blue chip projects, including Aave, which has over 2 billion in liquidity there alone, disproving that Ethereum can't scale narrative. It is scaling, so we'll keep you updated on that. Number 10, finally, in less than 3 months, this is a big one, the EIP 1559 upgrade will be activated, likely resulting in hundreds of millions worth of ETH being burned each year. This is a massive catalyst for ETH value capture and its overall fundamental investment case. So, are you bullish or bearish on Bitcoin and Ethereum? I mean, I'm so bullish on Bitcoin for this next decade. I'm so bullish on Ethereum. I can't say where ETH will be in 10 years from now, but this year specifically, especially with stuff like EIP 1559, so bullish. You know who's not bullish? Bill Maher trashes crypto as Ponzi in a 10-minute rant. 10 minutes, he just trashed crypto. Bill Maher devoted a chunk of his chat show last night to brutally lay into crypto. On HBO's Real Time, Maher told his viewers, "The crypto is a Ponzi scheme," said Maher. "Nothing with crypto in the title ever turned out good." Central to Maher's rant were two observations. That number one, cryptocurrencies generate value without offering goods and services in exchange. Yeah, Bitcoin's not a company. Bitcoin is an open source monetary payment network. Number two, that they're a massive drain on the environment. This FUD has been written about and debunked time after time. You know what? I'd like a report on how much energy Bill Maher uses. It can't be worth it. Think of the planet. In fact, Bill Maher's silence, if he cares about energy, Bill Maher's silence on Xmas Light energy consumption is deafening. He will FUD Bitcoin, a permissionless, decentralized, undebasable monetary network that allows anybody in the world to transact, store, and save value. But this so-called atheist is silent on the far bigger energy suck. Christmas lights. Bill, where are you on that? Surely you're the captain of the energy police. Bill Maher's been on there for what, 40 years? I'm trying to find video evidence of Bill Maher dismissing the internet in the 90s because that uses way more energy than anything else. And I can't find any. You know what, Bill? You should learn about Bitcoin. You might like what you find. Bill Maher has yet to contact me back, but hopefully we'll get into a dialogue pretty soon. Let's talk about some alts. BNB, Binance Coin, sets all-time high days after Binance announces NFT marketplace. The exchange is launching an NFT auction house in June that could ramp up demand for BNB. So BNB, a little bit more centralized than, say, Bitcoin or Ethereum, but it's cheap, easy to deploy, and for the time being, it is taking some market share away from Ether and others. So it's interesting the way this space is developing. We'll have to keep tabs on that. Dogecoin up 12% as influencers keep money flowing. Twitter, Instagram, YouTube influencers are helping Dogecoin fight its way to the top. It is being pumped to high heaven. Even some of my smartest friends who are invested in Bitcoin and ETH, they still enjoy gambling on Doge. So, Doge is, providing entertainment and monetary gains for a lot of people. Eventually it will come down, but I know what everybody's looking forward to. Elon Musk hosting SNL tonight, actually. And I hear some of the cast doesn't want to appear with him as if he's like a super controversial figure. That's kind of weird. But anyway, looking forward to that. Hopefully Elon Musk does a Bitcoin sketch. That'd be cool. Hopefully does it. I think it'd be funny to do a Dogecoin sketch. I think they probably will. Polkadot, over the counter. Osprey Funds set to launch Polkadot Investment Trust. Before we get to that, let's take 60 seconds to thank our sponsor, BlockFi.com/Altcoin Daily. If you have Bitcoin, if you have Litecoin, if you have Ethereum, Binance Coin, Chainlink, or a variety of stable coins, why not put your crypto to work? Earn up to 8.6 APY with a BlockFi interest account. Get up to a $250 crypto bonus with a deposit of $25 or more in crypto. Terms and restrictions apply. This is the exact payout structure. You can, of course, buy crypto with cash like an exchange. You earn the interest. You can get a crypto-backed loan if you want. Buy, sell, and trade, just like an exchange. And of course, they're backed by some of the biggest names, the Winklevi, Morgan Creek Digital, which is Pomp, Mike Novogratz, which is Galaxy, and of course Brian Armstrong's Coinbase Ventures. So if you're looking for traditional financial services for cryptocurrency, BlockFi, they're the best in the game. Accredited investors will soon have over-the-counter access to a DOT investment trust. Yesterday, Osprey Funds announced the launch of the Osprey Polkadot Trust. The fund, which will be available to accredited investors with a $25,000 minimum, is set to be listed on the OTCQX market as soon as possible. Per a press release from the company, Coinbase will serve as the fund's custodian. Quote, "The appetite for next-generation crypto investment vehicles is only increasing," said the CEO of Osprey, Greg King. Osprey is just getting started on a series of compelling investment funds that will provide access to some of the most exciting coins and tokens. So, I mean, it's hard to get, like Bitcoin or Ethereum in a trust, but once you have one coin in a trust, it doesn't seem like these guys are approaching it like Bitcoin maximalists. It's that much easier to put other coins that they find valuable in a trust. So, incredibly bullish. Finally, Yearn Finance, one of the blue chip DeFi coins, has made almost as much in March as it did in all of 2020. Fees from Y vaults were the biggest contributors to Yearn's revenue. So just a little bit of information, don't want to bog you down too much. The report stated that the Y vault product line is the leading revenue generator and remains critical to Yearn's core business. Vaults employ strategies to automate the best yield farming opportunities available by staking on other protocols. The version 2 vaults, launched in January, have increased top-line revenue for the period. There were 36 new Y vaults launched in the first quarter of this year, including 5 new V2 vaults. So just so you know, previously, Yearn Finance earned its money from withdrawal fees with V1 vaults, some of which are still running, taking 0.5% when the collateral is withdrawn. The fee structure changed slightly when V2 vaults were launched, and the elimination of the withdrawal fee and addition of a 2% management fee and a performance fee, which can be as high as 20%. It claims the aim is for users to pay the most fees on the vaults that are performing the best. At the time of writing, the total value locked on the protocol has a little over $3 billion, according to DApp Radar. So this shows two things. Number one, how, innovation on these protocols can really change the game and increase revenue and just make the product better. Number two, is this really decentralized if, it can be just changed so easily from the devs? Yeah, of course not. These altcoins aren't really decentralized, but they're a little bit more they're open source protocols that you don't get KYC'd. I like them, as long as you understand the difference. I like them. I am bullish on Yearn and many others. All right, that is it for me today, my friends. My name is Aaron Arnold. It was a pleasure. See you tomorrow.